Welcome to Learn English from Zero, Spoken English Tricks. In this journey, we'll explore effective strategies to help you start learning English from scratch and develop your spoken English skills. Start with the basics. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the basic building blocks of English, such as the alphabet, common greetings, and simple phrases. Practice pronouncing words correctly and pay attention to intonation and stress patterns.
Intonation refers to the rise and fall of pitch in spoken language. Example, I can't believe you did that. Notice how the pitch rises on believe and falls on that, expressing surprise or disbelief. Stress patterns involve emphasizing certain syllables or words in a sentence to convey importance or emphasis. Sentence, I love learning English. Emphasized words, I love learning English. Emphasis on the verb, love. Different stress pattern, I love learning English. Emphasis on the activity, learning. Pronunciation refers to the way words are spoken or articulated, including the sounds of vowels, consonants, and syllable stress. Word, schedule. American English, schedule. British English, schedule. Pay attention to regional variations in pronunciation and adapt accordingly.
Immerse yourself. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Listen to English music, watch movies or TV shows with English subtitles, and try to read English books or articles. Immersion is key to improving your language skills quickly.
Practice speaking. Don't be afraid to speak. Practice speaking English aloud, even if you're alone. You can talk to yourself, describe objects around you, or practice conversations with a language partner or tutor. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become.
Focus on fluency over perfection. Remember that it's okay to make mistakes. Don't get bogged down by trying to speak perfectly. Focus on communicating your ideas clearly and fluently, and the accuracy will improve with time and practice.
Learn common phrases and expressions. Familiarize yourself with common phrases and expressions used in everyday conversation. This will help you sound more natural and will make it easier to engage in conversations with native speakers.
Master grammar basics. Master fundamental English grammar concepts such as verb tenses, sentence structure, and punctuation. Use grammar books, online tutorials, or language courses to deepen your understanding and practice regularly.
Practice active listening. Pay attention to how native speakers pronounce words and phrases, their intonation, and rhythm. Mimic their speech patterns and try to emulate them as closely as possible. Active listening is crucial for improving your spoken English skills.
Set realistic goals. Set achievable goals for yourself and track your progress along the way. Whether it's mastering a specific grammar point, expanding your vocabulary, or improving your pronunciation, having clear goals will keep you motivated and focused. Practice minimal pairs exercises to distinguish between similar sounds, such as ship and sheep.
Focus on vocabulary building. Dedicate time to expanding your vocabulary. Learn new words daily using flashcards, vocabulary apps, or online resources. Practice using new words in sentences to reinforce your understanding and retention. When learning new words, pay attention to their pronunciation. Use resources like online dictionaries that provide audio pronunciations to guide you.
Use resources wisely. Take advantage of language learning resources available online and offline. There are numerous apps, websites, and textbooks designed to help you learn English effectively. Find what works best for you and incorporate it into your learning routine. Utilize language learning apps. Take advantage of language learning apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Rosetta Stone. These apps offer structured lessons, interactive exercises, and progress tracking to enhance your learning experience.
Be patient and persistent. Learning a new language takes time and effort, so be patient with yourself. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or slow progress. Stay consistent with your practice and believe in your ability to improve.
Seek feedback. Don't hesitate to ask for feedback from native speakers or language teachers. Constructive criticism can help you identify areas for improvement and refine your spoken English skills. Above all, believe in yourself.
Hey language learners, ready to go from zero to hero in English? Introducing English from Zero to Hero, 150 Ways to Learn English Fast, your ultimate guide to mastering the language quickly. Say goodbye to struggles and hello to fluency. Click the link below to kickstart your journey to English proficiency today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to show some love. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content.